Welcome back to At Your Leisure, just days before the RV show opens up this year at the Mountain America Trade Expo here in Sandy. Now, Parris RV has probably the biggest space in the show, 31,000 square feet, and they've filled it with, count this, 75 RVs that they move in a very short period of time. In fact, less than a day, and they have to get them all ready. So let's find out what kind of effort they make to make the RV show good for you.
So we start moving in Monday morning. Well, technically we started last week. We started getting the lot ready just to get the 47 trailers out of there. And then as far as getting them in the building, we start Monday morning. We had all 47 trailers in the building at 4 o'clock. Since then we've been cleaning, setting up, plugging them in, making sure they look good for the customers. For the most part, we bring the floor plans that sell the best. We also bring a few of our more unique pieces, like the retro behind me or the Opus and stuff like that. Mostly just getting into stuff that especially normal RVers have never seen. In fact, a couple of our trailers are from Australia. So, it's definitely something that people have never seen. So it's just interesting to see the stuff from across the world. Love it. It's the hardest part is getting in. Once we're in, then it's a lot better. Talking to customers and selling is a lot easier and much more enjoyable.
We are here at the RV show and people are scurrying everywhere to get everything done. Like in the last segment, we talked about the macro, the massive number of shows and all the technology they use to get people in and out of here in a hurry. But there's also a micro side to this as well, because there are people that have to get everything ready. They got to bring in TV sets, they got to bring in blankets and brownies and things to make everything look homey and cozy. And then on top of that, there's this entire army of cleaners that show up and just spread out everywhere to try and get things.
What are you doing? Get to
I'm
work.
just telling him.
Get to work.
Okay. Get everything cleaned up.
Well, right now it's time for us to send you guys off to this week's Along the Way.